Hey everybody, it's me, Nature Walks with Dawn, and I'm doing an update on my 3-gallon guppy tank. I got a couple of new fish, and I didn't get to show you last night because it was so late. I hope you enjoy, and I love you all out there. God bless, and Jesus loves you all. My cute little kitty that looks like Tinkerbell in my room, and my Pegasus, some of my collections of elephants and stuff, my sea turtles, and my little dolphin here, and my heart water plant right here, and my hydrocorsis grass, and I forgot the name, electro Carsis is the top one, I think, and it's supposed to bloom yellow. And my snails are doing really good in the side. And I got a female koi longfin in here, and that's her, and a female spotted platy, that's her. And the male, he's over here. He's kind of still a baby. I got a lot of female guppies here. This is one, yeah. Kind of like a glass guppy. And my little swordtail guppy's doing good, and my red and orange one's doing good. I think it's called a Santa Claus, like, come to find out. My mosaic, he's looking really pretty, along with all their little plants and the double bubbler. And I got the algae eater, there he is swimming by. I just fed him and changed the water, so it looks a little bit better. Another female right there. I got I think 1, 2, 3, 4 males, and maybe 5, 10 females, including the koi and the spotted platy koi longfin. She was in the shell. Oh, cool little algae eater too. So they're all swimming happy. Maybe they'll make babies. And I think the one in my 30-gallon tank, the peacock, is pregnant. Maybe I'll try to do an update on that one because it wasn't so clear either. But they all are looking good and beautiful today. I hope you enjoy them as much as I do. God bless, and Jesus loves you all. I hope you enjoy. Love you out there.